I've recently discovered the best way to rejuvenate your dirty, old, stained looking whiteboard, and get this, how to clean permanent marker using this one product. Hi there, my name is EdTchoi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office, and today I want to share with you something amazing. Well, at least in the world of office products, it's pretty amazing. One of my biggest pet peeves around the office, if you know me well, is a ghosted whiteboard. Why? Because ghosted or dirty whiteboards just kill the creativity. I mean, who wants to be inspired to write something down or brainstorm an idea when you look at a dirty, crusty old whiteboard that just doesn't look inspiring? And you try to wipe it with erasers that are on the whiteboard, but what you're doing is just moving the smudge around. I was recently invited to check out the shared office space at Work Life in Vancouver. And sure enough, when I walked into their boardroom, albeit a beautiful boardroom, their whiteboard was ghosted and stained. But guess what I had on hand? You guessed it, iCloth. Not only are they my YouTube sponsor, but it's a product I actually believe in because I use it on a daily basis to clean things like my phone, my computer, my headset, my desk. I mean, you name it, I use iCloth pretty much on a daily basis to clean things that are around me. Having that iCloth wipe on me gave me an opportunity to use the new 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe from iCloth on a stained or ghosted whiteboard, and you'll have to see these results. So check this out, and after this little snip, I'm going to show you how to use the iCloth products on a whiteboard to rectify a common mistake that we all do, and you'll be surprised on how well this works. So check this segment out first, and then we'll go back to my office and I'm going to show you something really cool on my whiteboard. After a while, whiteboards tend to get this, what you call ghosting. So a good way to actually remove this ghosting is using alcohol on it because it'll clean the surface. So using the XL wipes, this is 9 inches by 12 inches. This will allow you to clean a surface probably this size. So let's give it a go. I haven't actually tried this wipe on a ghosted whiteboard before, but I'd be interested to see how this turns out. So of course the aircraft grade material, same on the XL wipe. Look how great that material is. And let's start cleaning. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, this is my first time using this, cleaning this ghosted whiteboard. My recommendation would be that look at that, every boardroom with a whiteboard absolutely needs to have an XL wipe to clean their ghosted whiteboard. Look, it's doing such an amazing job. Now if I was just a little bit taller, I could get the top, but I'm gonna do my best without getting the ladder out. I might get some of my taller friends to go out and do the reach, but based on what I can reach, look at this, this is amazing. Wow. There you go. So here's another use for the 70% IPA wipes. It does an amazing job cleaning your ghosted whiteboards. I'm actually super impressed with how well this is performed. Like I said, I've never done this before. And yeah, this is pretty impressive. So wasn't that amazing? I was truly blown away by how well the iCloth wipe worked to clean that ghosted whiteboard. In my eyes, every boardroom that has a whiteboard will eventually get ghosted, and having a pack of these iCloth wipes next to the whiteboard will just be a godsend for people that are brainstorming or using that whiteboard. But consider this. How many times have you seen in a boardroom where somebody used a permanent marker on the whiteboard? Now, I have made a video in the past on how to remove permanent marker using household products, but let's face it, you're in an office setting and those household products are probably not readily available. But one thing that you can have on hand is a handy iCloth wipe. Now, these 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes are fantastic to use on a whiteboard, but not only just to rejuvenate, but check this. So this is a permanent marker, just to prove it to you. This is actually the Super Sharpie. It's a thick permanent marker. Now I'm going to show you something that you shouldn't do on any whiteboard, but I'm going to show you how this is going to fix this. So let's draw a little box here. All right, I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And while that's drying, the new 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes from iCloth come in 2 different sizes. This is a 9 inch by 12 inch, which is the extra large, and it comes in a smaller size that's 5 inches by 7 inches, and they're available in a little handy box at 50 like this. You can open them up, And look at this, it's super well packaged. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and use the XL wipe, but if it's for a small stain like this, you can use the smaller 5" by 7", but I like using the large size because it also gives me an opportunity to clean more things. So let me open this up. So this is the same one that we saw in the last video where I was cleaning the whiteboard in that boardroom. So this is the 9" by 12". Just to prove to you, I'm gonna dry my fingers off here so I don't, cheating. It is permanent. You can see it's not coming off. If that was a regular dry erase marker, of course it'd come off. But here's the beauty of it. This is the XL wipe, and look at this. Tell me this isn't amazing, and tell me that every boardroom shouldn't have one of these boxes. Like, this is something that is, I think, an office essential. You have your ink, toner, paper, scotch tape, post-it notes, and iCloth wipes for your whiteboard. I think this is essential. Look how amazing that turned out. I'm super impressed. And it got, just to show you all the permanent marker it got off. And look, I still have some clean areas. And for that, I would probably just go ahead and clean the rest of this whiteboard. So there you have it. 2 really cool ways of using your iCloth wipe. One, to clean a ghosted whiteboard. The second, just to clean permanent marker from your whiteboard. Think about the opportunities now that you can use permanent marker on your traditional whiteboard. You can create grid lines, calendars, and when you want to make any edits, then you can just use your iCloth wipe to erase it. And that way you can have permanent messages on your whiteboard. And when you need to erase it, you can go ahead and erase it using one of the iCloth wipes. So there you go, give it a go. I'll leave a link down below for more information on the iCloth wipes. Like I said, not only are my YouTube sponsor, but this is something that I really truly believe in. It's something that I use on a daily basis. I want you to give it a try. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And of course, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe my channel and click on that bell so you can get notified of my video uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.